before you spread tasty food in the world, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook For You presents honey cake. Take half cup melted butter, add half cup sugar, cream them together, add 2 eggs or half cup curd for eggless cake, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Combine well. Add half cup condensed milk, 2/3 cup milk. Combine well. Sieve dry ingredients, 2 cups plain flour, one teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, 2 pinches salt. Sieve them. Combine well. If batter is very thick, add some milk. Consistency should be like this. Line a cake tin with parchment paper, grease some oil. Pour the cake batter. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes or until skewer comes out clean. Cracks and domes are normal. We will cut and level up. Take the cake out from the tin. Remove the parchment paper. Look at this nice golden cake sponge. Flip the side. Let it cool down completely. Cut off the cake and level up. Remove the sides, it's also delicious. Making honey syrup, take 1 cup water. Add 1/4 cup sugar. Stir till sugar gets dissolved. Add 2 tablespoons honey. Add pinch of red food colour. Syrup is ready. Remove in a bowl. Add 5 to 6 tablespoons mixed fruit jam. Melt on low to medium flame. Pour honey syrup. add melted jam. Spread the melted jam all over the cake. Sprinkle desiccated coconut. Cover the edges too. Cut the cake in pieces. Honey cake is ready to serve. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.